If you're looking for an easy way to freshen your breath while helping reduce everyday stains, the Hismile ID Stain Whitening Mouthwash is worth considering. Unlike regular mouthwash, it's designed to target surface stains caused by coffee, tea, wine, and other dark-colored drinks while leaving your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. One thing I like is that it's easy to add to your daily routine. Just rinse after brushing, and over time, it may help maintain a brighter looking smile. It also has a refreshing taste without being overly harsh, making it comfortable for everyday use. That said, it's important to keep your expectations realistic. This mouthwash isn't a substitute for professional teeth whitening, and it won't dramatically whiten deeply stained teeth overnight. Instead, it's best used as a maintenance product to help keep your smile looking its best. Overall, I'd give the Hismile ID Stain Whitening Mouthwash an 8.5 out of 10. If you're looking for a convenient way to support your oral care routine and help minimize surface stains, it's definitely worth trying.